Well, I thought I'd get a quick shot of this, only because it snows so rarely here in Texas. You know, we might get one snowfall a season if we're lucky. And it's beautiful. You know, it's not sticking or anything like that, but falling out of the sky is worth recording. First snow on the container home. Here is the containers joined together, and this just made a lot more sense to us. You know, I've seen some container channels out there to where people just plywooded over this area. She's got this batch mixed up here. She's waiting for me to shut up so she can get over here and put this in. So come on over here, Julie, so I can show what's going on with you. If any of you want to know, that's red duct tape due to the fact that we sealed up the gap with the duct tape, and then we obviously went ahead and put a floor leveler. Okay, so I'm going to step back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And that's pretty much it right there. I'm not really... We put in 8 hours today, and looks quite different. So the ceilings are all done, other than in the utility room, which would have happened today, but I've got this craving for pizza, and I gotta fulfill it. Got the windows in. Took us about a full day to cut the container open, frame, and install the windows, plus welding. I'm hoping that we can start creating a system so it doesn't take so long. I did not expect to spend a full day putting in 2 windows, but you know, that's like 2 half days because it's so hard for us to just get out and work a solid straight day. Let's walk inside here and I'll show you what we got going on in the bathroom. Not only do they open up like so, they also open up like so. And then you can also kick. You can see the levers there. You pull those levers in and this bottom window folds out and you can lift it out and you can clean it. Here's our water well being dug. Another step to self-sufficiency.
get off Texas City water. Not only does it taste bad, they've had 1 or 2 chlorination alerts due to bacteria and so forth. And you know, normally in a well you don't have to worry about it. Not to say that you can't have contaminated wells, because you obviously can, but if you want to go self-sufficient, this is the way to go. Get yourself a well, solar system, get off the grid. Well, we finally got the well plumbed, and you can see here that I plumbed it so that the well supplies our neighbors, and everything runs great.
So here's the first test.
3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! Wait, there's air. Oh, there goes the water. Look at that. Alrighty, there we go. Nice. Woohoo! We struck water.
Foam board, 3.5 inches, R factor of about an R21. It's waterproof, water resistant. It's a great heat barrier. Sorry about that, it's late and tired. I'm probably gonna fade out here at any time. But the only thing about using a rigid foam board is you have to make sure that you have a good thermal barrier. Thermal barrier, for you that don't understand what it is you want to keep the hot air and the cold air away from each other. This is 420 or 480 board feet per case, and by what I've investigated, this stuff's pretty good. So I went ahead and invested in, I think it's IXR, but whatever. With this, you get a spray gun, and in this kit, you get goggles, spray tips. There's the goggles, rubber gloves, and here's the gun. And I will show more of that. Oh, they even throw in a bodysuit. So that's what we've got done so far. I'll show you the outside when it's daylight out. Well, today we are building our patio roof, or I should say our awning, about a 10-footer, and gonna try to just kind of dry up the area there in front of the door and the window and everything. As much rain as we've been getting, it has just been taking a toll on our subfloor and everything, and trying to work with plastic inside, it's slick, and it's just been kind of a nightmare. So digging the hole for the support posts, and I got a little bit lazy, didn't want to go to the rental yard and rent a auger.
So I'm having to hand dig, which is totally against my work smarter, not harder philosophy. I'll show you shots after the posts are up, and we'll go from there. Well, there you go. Took about 3 days to get her done. Set the posts, let them set up overnight. And it is 12 by 24 long. And we just covered it with steel roofing. It's not finished yet, obviously. Got to put our cross supports in. And then we're going to put some type of wood and so forth just to finish it off with not can lights, but LED lights and so forth. So, yeah, easy peasy. We are there. We're getting ready to spray foam, lock all of the polyiso boards into place, and create that thermal bridge. And then we're going to start sheetrocking. We got all of our LED lights wired. We've got 2 fans wired here in the center. I'm still considering putting LED lighting around the top perimeter of the walls, so that we can dim or change the colors, or, you know, just have a little party in here.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
Well, here we go. Julie and I worked until about 10 o'clock last night. And we got the sheetrock all done in the bedroom. Got all of the lights popping through. We got 8 LEDs, dimmable, here in the bedroom. And then we have these small fans. They're really cool. Since it's so hot here in Texas. Come on.